Hey, Jacob here from ABC. We're taking a look in this video at an exciting new product from Moerman, the Drywalker Flex hip bucket. So, let's dive in. There's a few features that make the Drywalker Flex very unique. The first is it's actually modular. So many of the components come apart and it's very easy on the fly to rearrange it in the way that you need it. The second thing that makes it unique is that the backing is actually made of flexible material instead of hard plastic. So it actually bends and flexes. Now the bottom part of the Drywalker is a removable plastic piece for catching excess water that is dripped out through the bottom. When it gets full, you can spill it out and reattach it without having to remove the entire hip bucket from your belt. Now in this configuration, the Drywalker includes a bucket for holding wet things like your sleeves and 2 slots for holding your squeegees. And in this configuration, you have 4 slots for holding squeegees and other tools. The Drywalker is a fully detachable hip bucket, meaning the loop that is connected to your belt comes off so that you can leave this attached to your belt and remove the hip bucket as needed. So that was a little bit about the new Drywalker Flex. For a list of all of the squeegees that fit into it, take a look at the product description on our website. There's a link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.